the best fried sweetbread recipe. Easy and amazing recipe. In a bowl, add 240 grams of flour. Use a sieve to make the flour lighter and fluffier. Let me know if you have any sweetbread recipes. I'd love to hear about them. Now add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of yeast, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of oil, 1/4 cup of water, 1 egg, and stir to combine. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. When it reaches this texture, cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest to let our dough grow. Our dough has already grown. Put some flour on the table, put our dough on top, and we'll start to knead it this way. You guys, make this recipe at home. It's incredibly delicious. I have no doubt that you'll love it and will recommend it to all your family and friends. Divide our dough into 2 parts. Knead a little longer with your hands, then with the help of a rolling pin, flatten the dough until it's thin like this. After you make this bread recipe at home, all other bread recipes will be left behind because this one exceeds all expectations for a delicious homemade bread. Divide the flattened dough into 8 parts. Cover and let it rest. Now add oil in a pan, enough to fry our bread, and when it's hot, add the dough inside like this. When one side is fried, turn it over to fry the other side. Look how our fried breads are turning out. We are already finishing. Stay until the end. You will be surprised. The breads are now fried. Take them out of the pan. Put them on a plate, and now just sprinkle icing sugar and enjoy these delicious breads. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.